Welcome back everyone, I hope you're all doing well. This is just going to be a small little video detailing the process of how I make my horseshoe nail hooks that I sell on Etsy. It's quite a quick process and I've tried to edit this in as real time as possible while still maintaining an interesting video. So I hope you enjoy. If you have any tips or tricks or anything, please leave them down in the comments below and let's get into this. Okay, so first things first, I'm just using a number 5 nail. Which is a nice medium-sized nail, good size for hanging keys and things like that on. I'm also using a butane torch, which is quite cool. However, that's what I had. And if I was doing more of these, I'd definitely invest in getting a MAC gas torch, as it has a much hotter flame and would lead to a more efficient production process. Another thing that should be noted is that when I'm actually doing this in production, I'm usually doing in sets of 10, and I'd go along and do 10 for each of the process. So I'd flatten the heads of 10 nails, then I'd curl the tip of those 10 nails instead of doing one by one, as that's inefficient and slow. Here's just a little jig. I soldered up out of some scrap steel, and this is just to get a bit more consistent bend in each hook, as even though they're all handmade and unique, I still want some baseline consistency there. Then I heat them up and plunge them in canola oil to get a nice blackened finish. Okay, so that's it everyone. That's the video, that's how I make my hooks. I hope you enjoyed that. If you have any tips or anything, leave them down in the comments please. And if you're thinking of buying hooks, I hope this provided a bit of an insight into how they're made, all by hand and all of that. And yeah, hope you go along to my Etsy store. I'll leave a link in the description where I sell them. And yeah, with that said, please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.